Good morning, yogis. Welcome to this 5-minute full body wake up. Let's start at the top of the mat with hands to heart center. The weight of the body balanced between the fullness of the feet. Lifting from the crown, the top, the back of the head, tucking the tailbone towards the heels, navel in and up. Heart space towards the thumbs, shoulders down and back. Inhaling self-love, gratitude. Gratitude for arriving on the mat, giving the body this little wake up. Exhale, release the hands, bend the knees. Inhale, sweep the arms to rise. Maybe a little tiny back bend. Exhale, forward fold. Bend the knees as generously as you'd like here. Inhale, look forward, halfway lift, long spine. Exhale, plant the hands and walk the feet back to plank. And plank can be high plank or it can be knee plank, wherever feels good to you. So finding your plank, inhale, shift the weight forward. Exhale, lower down slowly, slowly, slowly. Inhale, lift the heart, cobra. Exhale, flip the toes under. Send the hips to the sky for downward facing dog. So we'll bend the knees generously here, maybe one at a time. We want to make a triangle shape from the hips to the hands to the feet. Sending the heels towards the mat. They don't have to touch. Sending the ears between the arms, pressing the hands into the mat evenly with the feet. Pointing the tailbone towards the sky, letting the heart sink. Inhale the right foot towards the sky. And then exhale, bring it between the hands in the front. And we'll drop the back knee. Flip the back toes so the tops of the feet are on the mat back there. Front knee over the ankle. We can sink the foot back a little bit if it feels right. You can stay here with the hands supporting, or you can rise the arms, little crescent lunge. Inhale and exhale, come back down. Or if you're still there, stay there. Inhale, we'll sweep up again. And exhale, come back down to the mat. We'll flip the back toe under and bring the back foot to the front. Inhale to halfway lift. Exhale to forward fold. Can be with the knees generously bent. Inhale to sweep. Let's send our hips back. Knees stay over the ankles. Engage the glutes. Arms go forward with the gaze. Chair pose. Exhale, shoot up into mountain pose. Tadasana. Tall spine, ears over the shoulders. Reconnect with the body. Notice how we feel. Inhale, bend the knees, engage the glutes. Send the arms overhead with the gaze. Little back bend. Exhale, forward fold. Bending the knees as generously as needed for tight hamstrings. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step or hop back to plank. Inhale, shift the weight forward. Exhale, lower it down. Inhale, push up to cobra. Exhale, flip to down dog. Hips to the sky. Inhale the left foot to the sky. And exhale, plant the foot between the hands. Drop the back knee. Maybe inch it back a little bit. Find your low lunge here. Either keeping the hands on the mat or inhale to sweep and rise into your crescent. Exhale, coming back down. And inhale, sweeping again. And exhale, coming back down. Untuck the back foot, bring it to the front. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, big sweep, slowly to rise. Exhale, hands to heart center. Thank you for practicing with me this morning. Namaste.